is visibility into network traffic so important?
Well, visibility for network traffic is very important because we need to be able to manage what's happening in the network in terms of how we prioritize the traffic, get security insights such that the resources and users are properly protected. Visibility is indeed critical today in how we manage security and network infrastructure, as well as endpoints.
What are the different technologies using encryption over the internet today?
I think the three most important technologies over the internet today embedding encryption would be VPNs for people who want to implement privacy and anonymity. And secondly, I would say Tor networks, but that would be primarily for those who are interested in anonymity. Last but not least, and I would even say the most important of all, is TLS security, which is implemented in all the browsers such as Chrome, Edge, Mozilla Firefox. That's where most of the internet traffic is running on today.
How does encryption affect traffic visibility in network operations?
Well, first of all, I think it's important to note that encryption doesn't really mean safe traffic. It just means that the traffic is private. And then today, the big problem about encryption is that it makes the network traffic opaque to all the networking and security solutions running in the networks today. This means that all kinds of malware, exfiltrated traffic and all that can run in encrypted streams without going alerted or noticed by these solutions. So encryption actually is a big challenge today to properly secure and manage networks.
What are the network-based methods for gaining visibility into encrypted traffic? And how far do they go in terms of the information that they deliver on the encrypted traffic?
Good question. So I think the technologies which come to my mind would be, first of all, deep packet inspection. In encrypted traffic today, if we're talking about TLS traffic, a part of the traffic is actually unclear. So we can indeed identify in fields such as the common names or the server name indication information which can successfully help us classify the traffic. And then comes the IP addresses, which can be very useful to identify the content providers. And last but not least, I think machine learning is a very good asset to help profile the traffic based on the different packet heuristics, give insight on the different applications and all that, which are running based on their traffic profiles and behavior.
And what if packet payloads are accessible due to the use of a TLS SSL proxy in a firewall, for example?
We can successfully inspect these payloads to identify all the information which is used by traditional DPI today and successfully classify the traffic. The difference between methods around decrypting and not decrypting the traffic would be around accessing the content and the payload related traffic. So in that case, I would say we can successfully, for example, in non-decrypted traffic, identify the application but not get the metadata. An example would be, we could say it's Gmail traffic, but we won't access the attachment of the email.